Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Todoist for event and party planning with our complete guide for 2025. First off, you'll want to create a new project specifically for your event. This helps us because it allows us to keep all our tasks and deadlines in one place. Click on the plus icon, type in your event name, and press enter. Now that we've done that, you'll want to add tasks to your project. These will be all the things you need to do for your event. Click on the Add Task button, type in your task, and hit Enter. The reason we do this is to break down our event planning into manageable chunks. Next up, you'll want to set deadlines for each task. To do this, click on a task, then on the Schedule button. Choose a date and time for your task to be completed. This helps us because it keeps us on track and ensures we're ready for the big day. Furthermore, you can assign tasks to other people if you're working with a team. Click on a task, then on the Assign button, and type in the person's name or email. This helps us because it distributes the workload and keeps everyone accountable. Lastly, don't forget to use labels and filters to further organize your tasks. Labels categorize tasks based on their nature, while filters allow you to see only the tasks that meet specific criteria. This is useful because it lets you focus on the tasks that are most important at any given moment. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Todoist for your event and party planning.